Rain lashed against Amelia's window, blurring the cobblestone street below. Inside, the cozy bookshop was a refuge, the scent of old paper a comforting balm. Suddenly, the bell above the door jingled, and a tall figure, cloaked in shadow, stepped inside. "Excuse me," Amelia called, peering over a dusty travelogue. The figure remained silent, their face obscured by the hood. "Can I help you find something?" An envelope, damp from the rain, landed on the counter with a thud. Amelia's heart skipped a beat. The return address was blank, and the inscription read simply, "For Amelia, urgent." Hesitantly, Amelia pried it open. A single worn photograph tumbled out. It depicted a bustling market square, a young woman with fiery red hair standing proudly in the center. But the woman's face was obscured by a large black X. "Do you recognize this?" A raspy voice startled Amelia. The cloaked figure had moved closer, their voice barely a whisper. Amelia shook her head, fear creeping in. "No, Who are you?" Before they could answer, the bell above the door chimed again. A gruff-looking police officer entered, scanning the shop. His eyes met Amelia's, then flickered to the photograph. "Amelia Brooks?" he boomed. "We need to come with you." Amelia's world tilted. "Why? What's going on?" The officer's gaze turned steely. "The woman in the picture. It's your mother, isn't it?" Amelia stared, speechless. Her mother, missing for 10 years, presumed dead. Now, a cryptic message and the police. A chilling possibility bloomed in Amelia's mind. "Is she alive?" she whispered, the words catching in her throat. The officer's response hung heavy in the air. "We think so, and it seems you're the key to finding her."